Get ready to witness the future of electric SUVs. The Suzuki Vitara is here to shake up the roads with jaw-dropping design, cutting-edge tech, and powerful performance. If you're excited about next-gen driving, you won't want to miss this. So buckle up. It's time to dive in, so let's go. Suzuki Vitara is the next-generation electric SUV designed to shake up the EV market. Slated for global launch in 2025, this futuristic SUV blends affordability, performance, and premium tech in one sleek package. For buyers in India, the launch is expected mid-2025, with pricing estimated between roughly $20,000 to $27,000 USD. This makes the Vitara one of the most budget-friendly electric SUVs with high-end features. Whether you're a daily city commuter or an adventure-loving family, this EV is built to fit your lifestyle. You get two battery options, a 49 kilowatt-hours and a 61 kilowatt-hours pack, both built with advanced lithium ferrophosphate (LFP) chemistry. LFP batteries are safer, last longer, and perform well even in hot climates. The 49 kilowatt-hour version delivers 144 PS, 106 kilowatts of power, while the 61 kilowatt-hour variant offers 174 PS, 128 kilowatts. Want more muscle? The dual-motor AWD variant delivers an impressive 184 PS, 135 kilowatts, giving you stronger acceleration and grip on rough or slippery roads. All models produce 192 Newton-meters of torque, so you get a punchy drive experience with smooth and responsive handling. Charging the Vitara is incredibly convenient. Fast charging with a 150 kilowatts DC charger gets you from 10% to 80% in just 45 minutes, perfect for busy drivers. Home charging with a 7 kilowatts AC charger takes 6.5 hours for the smaller battery and 9 hours for the larger one. And if you use an 11 kilowatts AC fast charger, charging time is reduced to just 4.5 to 5.5 hours. The 61 kilowatt-hour battery gives you a solid WLTP range of up to 243 miles, making it ideal for longer trips without range anxiety. It's not just about power, it's about comfort and tech. The Suzuki Vitara comes with a 10-way power-adjustable driver's seat for maximum comfort. Rear passengers get reclining and sliding seats for a relaxed journey. The 40-20-40 split-folding rear seats let you customize your cargo space easily, with a 360-degree camera system. Tight parking spaces are no longer a problem. OTA over-the-air software updates ensure your car stays updated with the latest features and security enhancements, just like your smartphone. Dimension-wise, it strikes a great balance between compactness and space. At 4,275 millimeters in length, 1,800 millimeters in width, and 1,635 millimeters in height. With a 2,700 millimeters wheelbase, the Vitara is roomy enough for a family of 5 and still easy to maneuver through tight city streets. The Suzuki Vitara is more than just an electric vehicle. It's a smart, stylish, and future-ready companion. Whether you're upgrading from a gas-powered car or buying your first EV, this SUV promises value, performance, and peace of mind. It's bold, it's powerful, and it's electric. The future is here. Are you ready to ride with the Suzuki Vitara?